This is the Click PLC program that is running, and as it says, this is a on delay timer, and notice input to the timer is X001. It's not on, and its set point is 30 seconds, and the current output is nothing. So there is no input, so there's no output. Once that timer's done, that timer done bit will turn on. The next rung looks at that timer done bit, and this rung shows that the timer is either true or not true. When it's true, it will say not on Y001, with Y being outputs and X's being inputs. So if the timer done bit is true, T1 will go to a 1. The counter not done is because we have a counter and it hasn't counted out, so that will set our delay time relay Y02, and so our input then is the input to the counter, and our counter, so when X003 goes true, our counter will count a 1, and then once our counter is counted to the current times, which it's set to 10, it will turn that output Y001 on, and then we have our start switch, which is X004, which is the input that will tell the drive stop, and it has to have a stop to be able to run. Our timer done bit, when it goes true, will then send a start to Y004, which is, since it's two wire, just a set of contacts. When they close, the drive will go to a run. So I will go back up to the timer to show you the timer starts timing, and we will turn the input on, and currently it was nothing. The drive's not running. We now go back to the computer program, and the input, notice the PLC is in run. At the end of 30 seconds, our timer done bit will go true, and once our timer done bit is true, we will physically put a start on the drive, which, notice the output is got the drive running. If I turn that input off, it will immediately decel to 0. So that's the way a PLC controls the drive. Again, if I put it in monitor mode, status, you can see the inputs that are now true, and see the timer is continuing to count up, and it's true. I will turn it off, and you will see that the drive stops. So I turned it off. It's now stopping, taking 5 seconds. and see the output is no longer true. The timer done bit is not done. And since it is a not, so the timer is not done, it will put so our start to the drive went away. I'll do that again so that you can see the input. Currently it's not true, so we will see how that works. The drive is not running. I put power on the input. The drive is not running yet. Notice the input is now true. It's turned green. Our counter is counting. It's at 15 seconds. So it's counting the seconds. When it gets to 30, you will see the done bit go true. That's how PLCs, notice it just now went to true. So if it's green, it means it's a 1 or true. There was our delay output. We're not using the counter currently. So on the drive, our output says we have to have a stop. So that meant the relay went true, which in turn told the drive to start, and it's now running. So as you can see, the drive is now running at 28 hertz. So if I turn the stop off, you see it decel 5 seconds. So it's 2.5 seconds from 30 hertz. And now there's a stop on the drive. And notice my timer input's not true anymore. And so my timer currently is set at 0. So the done bit isn't done. So that's how automation, PLCs, drives work, and they work in your factory. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks and have a great day. Hope this was informational to you.